Here's a quick Halloween costume you can make at home. All you need is a white t-shirt and some paint. You can be a Joss'n Pollack Painting in seconds. Alright, so all you need is a t-shirt, your paints. I got fabric paints, but you can use regular paint if you like. I believe regular paint's cheaper too. I'm going to do the number 26A, the Joss'n Pollack Painting, which is just black, white, and gray. Of course, there's no gray in the fabric paint, so I got some glitter and like a metallic silver color to mix in for the gray. I also got glitter because it's Halloween, so who doesn't want to be shiny? But that's all you need, and newspaper, because of course there's going to be a mess. But then that's it. So then you get your paints and you go crazy with it. Just crisscross applesauce. And there you go, you're done. It does take a while to dry. Usually what my family do when we use the fabric paint is let it dry overnight. But if you're in a hurry, you can always blow dry. That's it. Look at it, isn't it pretty cool? I did quite a few layers, so it depends how thick you want it to look like. But this is actually like a fun print if you think about it. There you go. You can either be a Joss'n Pollack painting, a painting from the Mona Lisa movie, or a work of art. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos. Bye!